welcome to the channel jkworld. So today is Friday and the time is 10:45, and let's see what we'll do in this vlog. So yeah, I don't know, I don't idea. So first I just come to office and have some work, and yeah, we will meet afternoon. So stay tuned guys, and let's see what will we do. Okay, so today I am wearing this outfit. How is this? How I am looking? So wait, I will show full outfit. So this is my dress outfit. So let's go and do some work. Yeah, that's it. Only work. So work and content. Two things are important in my life. So I will do whatever I like. That's it. So well, we'll join afternoon. So bye bye guys. Take care. Let's grab some cup of coffee. Black coffee, only black coffee. So double cappuccino. This is my favorite. So good in the morning, black coffee. Thing I like. And let's eat breakfast. In the breakfast, it's called poha. Indian food. So it's called poha and with black coffee. It's a good morning. Let's eat. Yeah, and start work. Okay. So well, guys, it's time to go for lunch, and the time is 1 o'clock right now. So let's go. Look at the greenery we have. So like that. This is streets, like so much greenery, cool weather. That's it. That's it. Yes, I know. I'm also trying to improve my skills, like spoken English skills, for better. So it's hard to cross the road because there's so much traffic. So look at the clouds. It's so beautiful. Can you write down on comments how can I improve my spoken English skills? And I want to learn. Because I want to make vlogs on this channel like JK World. So yeah, I will be consistent this channel for making my vlogs and videos through my identity. So that's why I'm showing my face. Yeah, that's it. So let's see what happens in future. So that's it. I will be consistent in my vlogs. So I don't know very much how to speak fluent English. I'm just practicing. Yeah, that's it.
So why I'm making these vlogs, do you know? So because the YouTube is ban AI contents, and yeah, they want original contents. Yeah, it's good. That's why I'm not creating AI contents. So I want to make my own content, like original contents. That's why I'm making these vlogs on my channel. In previous videos, I make only AI content, but it's time to show myself and create some good vlogs and videos to my daily life routines, and some uh, content like education type. So yeah, let's see what happen uh, in future. Let's see. I don't plan anything, but I want to show myself and speak on camera. I'm a shy person. Like, I have another channel like JK Vlogs. So in this on this channel, I will create Hindi content like vlogs. So I want to be consistency in this channel also for making vlogs. Yeah, let's see what happen. This is my residency. Like, I am staying in PG for work. My home is so long from my workplace. That's why I'm staying here. So look at that place. It's so greenery and cool. I like it. I like this place.
اللهم اعز الاسلام والانصار وازيل الشرك والشرار اللهم وفقنا لما نحب لنا خيرا من الاولى برحمتك يا ارحم الراحمين. Here for pray namaz.
So well guys, I have completed my prayers, namaz, and I'm going to somewhere. Let's see. So it's time to 23, and I'm just book a ride on Uber. I'm waiting for the rider. So because I want to go some one hospital like AIG hospital, I have some work. So let's go, and yeah. So the rider is there. We are going. So we arrive our destination. So this is hospital, AIG hospital. So I will be back in 5 minutes. Okay. Yeah, we just finished our work on here. So now we are going to office. Let's go now. Time is 3 o'clock. But look at the building, so small. So look at the view. It's so good. So I just booked another ride to go back. So, and I don't have charge on my phone. It's only 8%. Now I'm looking for our rider. So let's wait. So we are arrived our office. So we will back in evening. So 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock.
It's time to eat something. So this is called vada pav. So it's a snack time. So and now time is almost 6:17 now. So this is called vada pav. It's famous in Mumbai, but yeah, this is also fine. So let's eat vada pav. So it's called vada pav. Vada pav cow. So tasty. Like this is bread and this is bhajia or vada pav. Well, guys, so it's time 9 o'clock, and yeah, that's it. I want to end this vlog. So, through my yeah, yesterday I wrote something best for me and you, because we want some motivation lines. That's why I wrote some lines, like I read. You just listen. You are not weak. You are not lost. You are not behind. You are becoming. So, becoming stronger, becoming wiser, becoming the version of yourself you were always meant to be. Yes, life is tough. People doubt you. Some will leave you. Some will judge you. But you must not stop. Because every champion was once a beginner. Every lion was once silence in the dark building strength. You don't need motivation every day. You need discipline. So you need to wake up and say, no matter what happens, I show up for myself. Only myself. Don't show up for the people. Okay? Your dreams are not crazy. Your goals are not impossible. You are they yours. And what and that's enough reason to fight for them. Cut off the noise, shut down the doubt, black out the hate. The only voice that's matter is the one side in your the one inside you saying, I can, I will, just watch me. So if you are tired, rest, but don't quit. If you are scared, feel it and go forward away. If you are fail, good. Now rise stronger. Remember this, you don't get what you wish for. You get what you work for. This is your time. This is your story. So turn on the page and write it in fire. Let let the walls feel your presence. That's it. Yeah. Okay. I hope you like this, and bye bye, guys. Take care. Good night. We will meet in another vlog and the video. So hit a like and subscribe to the channel, and yeah, that's it. Bye bye.